Sup. Today we're playing Bee Swarm. Hooray! Oh, by the way, subscribe to my channel and friend request me if you want. Yeah. Well, today I'm playing Bee Swarm. Look at the quest I have. This is from Codes, I think. I don't know. So yeah. On later videos, my friend Anesh, he's from Nepal. He's going to Sydney for 2 weeks. He's gonna come back in 2 weeks. So yeah. So today I need to finish, collect pollen. Almost finished. Oh, by the way, so yeah. So by the way, if you like .zeth, I always watch his videos. Also, Dev Fed and Nick Tack. So yeah, I watch their videos and they're really good. They give more information about Bee Swarm Simulator, and it's a good game. Yeah, so yeah. Sorry. I'm just gonna make pollen, but there's more codes, but I already redeemed them for you guys, so yeah. Sorry for the bad quality, by the way. But I'm just starting YouTube right now. I hope you guys subscribe. Yeah. So comment below subscribe to my channel, comment below what I do next video with my friend. Or just around this month. And yeah. I wish I could get a gifted bee from what was it? Yeah, Mother Bear. It gives you a gifted bee in 10 quests. I almost got the I'm doing this on pollen feature 4 from Black Bear, which will give me the diamond egg and royal jelly. I got 4 legendaries still. The music bee, shy bee, demon bee, and lion bee. So yeah, I really for example, Bee Swarm is when I started the game, my friend introduced me to this game. I was like, that's boring, dude, and he was like, no, it's fun. My friend Alec told me. Yeah. It's fine. Let's go, okay? Talk to my older brother. He's on the front of the video. Yeah, this will get many likes. I'm not sure. Friend request me. I'll accept only if you subscribe. Nah, I'm just get anything. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, by the way, subscribe to TimTam11, but he doesn't even do YouTube anymore. And subscribe to TLML Minecraft. I think my friend, the one with the Clash Royale video, my friend, I think he still goes with his channel. I'm not sure. It's called TLML Minecraft. I subscribed anyway. So trying to get the what was it? The port I had, not the other one, the honey dipper. It cost 1,500,000 honey. I'm on 1,444,022. I wish I could. I don't know how to upload my videos on my PS4. What was it? PS4 Pro. I don't know how to upload, so I couldn't play Fortnite so well. I'm gonna get fame. My first 3 videos, for example, the Brad sister, that sucks anyway. It's fine. It's terrible, trash. But the background, my dad's talking. He's yapping. I don't know why, but I think he's talking fine. I'm from a different country anyway. I'm not from Australia. Almost done. I need to finish this. I need to finish this to get I need to get the diamond egg that Black Bear gives me. La la la. I'll comment below if I should do like more B-Swarm videos or other Roblox games. Because I enjoy playing video games, like I'm addicted to playing video games. Stopped here playing video games when I was like 5 or 4. Can't remember. The first game I played was Minecraft. Me and my friends we were like the best for what was it? What was it? Commands. Like we always verse each other, unlike my other friends, but yeah. I'm almost done with the quest, by the way. There's more. Next video I'll do. What was it? Yeah. What was it? Oh, I almost finished this. I need 29. Oh, whatever. I gotta look at this. Okay. I need 27 tokens. Ability tokens to get the 5 tickets. Am I done it? Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. I think I can get the fetch up thing if I get this. Do you hate when I didn't have the game? Like, I don't know. Make honey, honey, honey. Make honey, honey, honey. Yeah. Yeah. I know it's cringy. Just don't hate comments. I hate them. Comment below who's your favorite abuse on YouTube video or YouTuber also. If they say if you defeat Tunnel Bear or the King Beetle, I'll show you the spots where you can find Tunnel Bear in the next video. It's really hard to defeat them like higher level beasts, yeah. I can buy it now. Yay. Stop it. I can buy the honey dipper. Oh my gosh, you're running outside, seriously. Yay, honey dipper, honey dipper, honey dipper, haha. Climb up. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. My first video was the rad bee. Once I playing the game. But there was a secret spot I'll show you after. Boom, boom, boom. Honey dipper. Yay, I bought it. Now I have 30,000 left. It sucks. Whoa, it's awesome. Wee, is it like powerful at all? Let me test it. What the hell? Wow, it's cool. Yeah, but by the way, thanks for watching. Subscribe and leave a comment and like the video and hit the bell so you stay notification, and see ya next video.